Okay, we received this pretty long question. Okay, I saw a property at an exhibition in Hong Kong. I was told that the discount would only be available on this particular weekend. I do not have the time to travel to Bangkok to see the property location. Is it true that discounts are only available at exhibitions? I would like to know where the property is located by traveling to Bangkok to view the property, but I do not want to miss out on the discount. Okay, it might be true, it might not be true, but usually what you can do is that you can place a booking fee and then reserve the unit, and then you fly down to Bangkok to take a look at the location. It is quite tempting to just make a purchase, especially when it's all being hyped up. But that comes with a lot of buyer's remorse, possibility of buyer's remorse. So we have had clients whereby they purchase properties in exhibitions. Then after that, they came to us saying that, oh, I regretted this purchase. I mean, the exhibition wasn't run by us. You know that we do physical property tours, and then usually clients buy after they see the property for themselves. So if you actually enter into a property exhibition in whichever your home country is, right, you can always tell them, it's okay, I would like to go there and take a look. You should actually take a look and understand where the location is. You shouldn't be buying a property without understanding the location. If it's possible, you can actually go to our YouTube channel and search whether we have the walk of the property from the BTS station to the property location. If I would like to say that we cover just about 95% or more of properties that are located close to the BTS station, because our team is quite active in sourcing for new properties, and we have links to all the major developers in Bangkok. So we sell just about every other property that's available in Bangkok. Yeah, so I think that the discount shouldn't be a primary consideration. It might be true that the discount is only available on that particular weekend, but I would struggle to say that if you really wanted to purchase the property after the exhibition, that the developer wouldn't extend you the discount, because I'm quite sure that if you're serious and maybe a few days after the exhibition, you can always go back to the developer saying that I was presented this price, I want to make the purchase, can I make the purchase at that price? I'm quite sure that the developer would be willing to extend that discount that was initially marketed as only available on that particular exhibition weekend to you if you intend to purchase the property. You got problems, right? You can always come to our team. Okay, so that's about it, and I'll see you guys at the next video.